Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use YouTube videos so you can sort of do it yourself in the Google Analytics. And so let's get right to it. One of the keys to using YouTube videos is to remember that there's a pause button down here. I go through things pretty quickly, and so if you may have difficulty, you will have difficulty keeping up. And so the way you want to approach this is you don't want to watch the whole video and then go and try and do the whole thing from memory. You want to watch just a little piece. Just a little piece, pause it, and then go do what that little piece of video said. Now, if you get interrupted in the middle of your work and you close your tab or something like that, there's an index at the bottom of every video. So if I take my mouse and I hover over the timeline down here, I can see there's an introduction, there's copying, there's moving, there's renaming, there's changing a term date, adding student emails, discussion. There's all different sections in the video. And you can jump right back to whatever section that you need to, as you need to. The other thing I want you to notice is if you click and drag the timeline up, you can actually get a preview image of what is in that video in each of these little boxes at the bottom of the screen. And so that can help you find the spot that you need to go back to as well. Most important thing is not to forget that you've got a pause button here. I've done a lot of DIY stuff on YouTube, and just pausing the video, go do whatever the task was, and then come back to the video for the next step. That's the key to being successful with this. I hope I was helpful with this video, and I hope you have a lot of success doing this.